What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. You know, you should sometimes take a break from tinkering with stuff and have some fun. That's why today we are reviewing the DJI SPARK drone. Yes, I bought the DJI SPARK in 2019, but maybe it's worth it, so let's find out. In the Fly More combo package you'll find your DJI bag in which the controller and charger is stored. In the foam box you'll find the drone and one extra battery. Here is the drone. It has a full HD camera with decent performance as long as you don't film at night. So in the package you'll have your drone, a spare battery, 2 spare sets of props, a charger, your AC adapter, a controller and 2 sets of prop guards. The prop guards are very useful for people that are just starting to fly their drones. This way they won't crash into something and ruin their props. The controller feels good, it has decent range as long as you use it in FCC mode. The thumbsticks cannot be unscrewed like they do on the Mavic controller. The charger has 2 USB ports that can be used for phone or controller charging. Also, in the package you get one full set of props in case you need them. I took the drone out in some places in Romania, so let's find out how it performs. After playing with this drone for a while, all I can say is that there's nothing better for the price. It has decent image quality, very stable connection, decent battery life, and most important, you can charge it in your backpack from your average battery pack. If you are looking into drones primarily for fun and some footage, and don't want to spend so much money for it, the DJI SPARK is the best drone for you. Thanks for watching, I hope you like this kind of video. I will try to make more tech videos in the future. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you wish, hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything from now on.